All right, so this young lady right there closed the final lap of GSAT with a bang. 100% in mathematics, 100% in science, 100% in social studies, 100% in language arts, 100% in communication task.
Which makes her average what? Work it out.
100%.
Brilliant.
Her name is Chanel Miles, and she's with her dad, O'Neill. Chanel and O'Neill. Good morning to you both.
Good morning.
Welcome to Smile Jamaica. Chanel, congrats.
Thank you.
Absolutely brilliant work. Absolutely brilliant. I know you expected to do well, but did you expect that you'd get 100% in every single?
Definitely not.
Definitely not.
How did you feel after each exam, though?
Well, I was nervous because my friends kept on talking about the ones that they had a problem with, and I wasn't sure what I put. I didn't remember, first of all, so I really couldn't compare answers. Yeah.
Whoa. Daddy, surprised or no?
No, not at all.
Not surprised that she got 100% in
No,
everything?
not based on her average coming into the exam.
Yeah.
She was well prepared, but I guess she was nervous, like any other child would be.
Yeah.
But she was well prepared and focused.
Did she get this from her daddy or from her mom?
Well, definitely from her dad, but
Well.
Watching you.
You know,
her mother had a great input as well.
Yeah.
I've
Definitely.
said before that GSAT must be rough on the kids, rough on the family. How tough was it, if it was tough at all, for you as a father?
Well,
How
yes,
long did she start the preparation?
From about grade 3, initially, yes.
Wow.
Yes, we had to condition her focus, letting her be focused with the assistance from our teachers in that where her weaknesses were, we had to try to help her, whether with extra classes or her mom would definitely give her like an hour, 2 hours after school at home on her weakness.
Yeah,
Okay.
wow, it's like a full-time job for these kids.
Yeah,
So you saw her average going in, but you knew she was nervous.
yes.
How did you and mommy help to calm her, to make her know it was okay?
Well, her mom spend most of the time doing that because I'm at work on 9 to 5. But as soon as mom pick her up, she would talk to her, speak to her, and they have the one-on-one mom and daughter talk and work together in terms of her weaknesses. So I think
Okay.
mom played a greater role.
I'm sure she never
in
had many
calming.
of those, because with grades like this, I mean, maybe weaknesses relatively speaking, but obviously you had more strengths, Chanel. So you're the deputy head girl at Stella
Yeah.
Maris, hello Stella Maris Prep. She's headed to Immaculate, woot, woot,
Hey,
and that's
my
for
sister school, I
Prospero.
can't live with that. Woot, woot.
No,
That's
you
all.
don't belong
I
here.
just said-
No, you cannot. If you come on the school and do that, they're going to escort you off.
It's not so.
But you also were captain of the track team, athlete on the swim, netball, and quiz team. Miss Lady, where you find time to do all of them something there with the studies and still do so well? Must have an answer. How did you balance everything?
Well, I just have a schedule for studying. Like I study math on Monday, science on Tuesdays, language on Wednesdays, and then it goes on and go on, yeah.
So you study around the extracurricular, but you make sure that you have adequate time
Yeah.
to put into the books.
You said you didn't expect 100%,
At all.
but you expected that you would do well, and you knew you were going to get through this easily.
Yeah.
Did you think you were going to get your school of choice?
Yes.
So you weren't concerned at all.
Not really.
And Sim asked you already, but at the end of it, did you think, yeah, man, 100%? Did you think at the end of the exam that you got the 100%?
I told my principal that I thought so, but I really didn't.
You told the principal that you thought you got the 100%?
Yeah.
Did the music help? Because I know you're a music person. Music help her to relax and be calm and stuff?
Yes, it does.
Yeah?
And she go on her tablet and while researching, should listen her songs and so forth.
So you don't play no music for her?
No, I guess she listen CDs.
But you see why that's important is that some parents wouldn't allow their kids to study and listen to music. Everybody's mind is stimulated.
As long as she's focused, I think that helps her to stay more focused.
Everybody has a technique, and music is yours.
The key is to find out about your child from early. and then just give her that support that she needs.
Okay. So you're after Immaculate.
Yeah,
Oh my
I
gosh.
can't wait.
Really? How does that feel? You're excited.
Yeah, very.
Why are you excited?
Because the school is perfect for me. Like, it is. It has all the activities that I do, and the education there is amazing. So yeah.
And you have on the same blower white, so you
Yeah.
have to deviate.
What you
Yeah.
want to be when you get to,
An ornithologist.
or what?
Ornithologist.
I can't
Just give
pronounce
me
that.
1 second there.
Ornithologist.
Just pause. Let's.
What that? What that? Oh, ornithologist? Is that? Which would be what, please?
It's like the study of birds, basically.
Study of.
Birds, yeah.
We
knew that.
were just checking
Yeah,
to
man,
see if
I
you
know
were
that.
sure. How we knew.
I didn't know that.
I mean,
Actually, I was an
ornithologist.
ornithologist myself
just
one
wanted to
time.
make sure you could spell it.
Yeah, one time
Yeah,
I was one of
that's not a
those.
problem.
But we can't remember the bird.
We have any of those here? Okay, wow.
Brilliant.
Ornithologist.
That is brilliant.
What sparked your interest in that?
I just love birds. I'm fascinated by them.
Yeah,
Wow.
That's brilliant. That
Dad,
is brilliant.
that sounds good. And this one I should be like the only one here or one of few. So ching ching.
Before
to
you,
make
before you
good
leave,
money.
spell it for me here.
No.
please, 'cause
What is the origin of that word, please?
I don't know how to do that.
Oh my
Boy,
word.
Daddy, you must be very proud. We're all very proud of her.
Definitely.
We pray that you will just continue to do what you have
Mm-hmm.
been doing. It don't look like it's going to be a problem. How much of the sport you think how far you're gonna take the sport, or are you just gonna do it through in school and then you can?
Yeah, probably.
That's
Just
it.
do it through school. I'm not sure if I'm going to take it into an official career, but
So
What's
if
your
it-
strong event now?
Yeah, I was just gonna say
tracks, athletics.
Which what do you call it?
discipline. Yeah.
Are you a 100-meter sprinter or are you a 200 specialist?
200, yeah,
Okay.
definitely 200.
So what happens if you realize say you can run faster than all the bird? You know, leave out the
I'm
ornithologist
sorry,
thing and
what did you say?
yeah?
if she what?
Run faster than the birds.
Birds usually fly.
Okay, all right, true.
Just
But you've already made up your mind. You're not going to be a professional sport person.
I'm not sure yet.
Oh, you're
it's
not
either
sure?
between the two.
Girl, you young. You have time to figure it out.
You can be all of them. as a
Yes,
matter of fact.
that's correct. There doesn't
While
have
you're
to be
running,
an
you're just
either or.
looking at the birds.
What have you to say to the young people who are heading into
PEP?
next year they're going into PEP, the
Yeah.
great unknown. What do you have to say to them? Do you have-
Just focus, basically. That's what I did in GSAT, and then this is where I am. Just focus.
Wow,
She call me?
you're so
Where
calm.
was
You're
I
so
when-
good.
What? We're just raising a different.
No, but make Sim go on. Sim is big, first class, and has graduated.
That
from-
is university,
It
sir.
don't matter. You have to be very bright to do that. I am first class.
First class, many things. University, not among them.
I'm a Rhodes Scholar.
Arrow, Haiti.
Yeah.
Okay.
Great
Good,
to meet
good
you.
job.
Congrats,
Good
Daddy,
job.
congrats.
Good team.
Swatch?
Good luck
Swatch.
at a great
Swatch
school.
International? When
Yes.
you play again?
Passa, passa. Which style passa, passa sound?
You don't carry her with you.
Not at all. She only watch the videos.
Great to meet you both. And good luck. Continue to do what you've been doing.
Thank
Really, really,
you.
very, very proud of you. And Immaculate, wow, you're going to make that school so much better than it already is. And I suspect you're going to end up being the head girl and the prime minister and orientalogist like me.
Yeah.
Prime Minister of the school?
Oh, I forget them, the prime minister. Perfect scorer. Chanel Mills and her dad. Chanel
Miles.
Miles and her dad O'Neill.
How are you going to get ornithologists if you can't read miles? Let's start at Comtas.
Ornithologist. Oh, you reached this.
Comtas. Let's go back to Comtas.
All right. I didn't get
Spelling.
100 in that.
You know Comtas?
Yeah. We soon come.
But I just started Comtas like 10 years ago with Jesus.
Oh, we mostly supply spaghetti.
There's most of it.
We soon come. We just know me to get 100 and something. We can't remember that.
Just
Long
that in
ago.
your memory.
Soon come back.
You don't do that everything. Oh, God. Well done, lady. Thank you, Dad.